Hi, my name is Norley Perry Lewis. I'm doing an instructional podcast for the Mac. First off, I'm going to show you how to get information from any file. Okay, you right-click the file you need and click on Get Info. It takes you to the data you need. It shows you the title of the file, what kind it is, the size, where it is placed, and when it was created and modified. You can also label the file any type of color. Giving you more information, for example, this is a document file, so it opens up with Microsoft Word. Yeah, this is an example of it. It shows you who you are sharing the file with and who can access it. To create a smart folder, you will need to click on the upper left where it says File, and then click on Smart Folder. Type in the material you need on the search box to create the smart folder. I typed in Documents to show every document I have on this computer. I want it to be only organized as PDF, so I pressed on the Add button right next to the Save button. All of these are all PDFs. Click on the Save button. Type in the title of the folder. Ta-da! You have your new smart folder. Making a stack is a pretty easy thing to do. I will drag all of these files and folders into the dock for easy access in the future. You can do this with any type of files or folders you want. For example, I'm using my documents, projects, and folders to do this. See, this is a stack. You can open up the Finder to see the list of all of the things you put into the stack. Using the dock is pretty cool for people that's new to the Mac. It is a very essential thing to have when it comes to first-time users. You can change the size, position, and even more by going to the dock preferences. You can change the size of the dock by moving the arrow from left to right. Also, changing the magnification of the icons, for example, like this. I have my dock positioned at the bottom, but you can move it to any place on your desktop. I put all of my important stuff on the dock. If one of your programs are frozen or not responding, you can use Force Quit. You can do this by clicking on the apple on the far left of your desktop and press on Force Quit. It gives you a list of all the programs that is running and not responding. Click on the program you want to quit and press Force Quit after you are done. You can also open the Force Quit window by pressing Command Option Escape. There you have it. It's that easy. Spotlight is very useful when searching for a file. You can use Spotlight by going to the far right of your desktop and click on the magnifying glass. Type in the file you need. Voila! A list pops up with the keyword you use. Click on the file you search for. For example, on a regular basis, I use Spotlight to look for documents. Increasing Mac security can protect your computer even better. You can do this by clicking on the Apple button and click on System Preferences. On the first row, press Security and Privacy. After that, it gives you a list of security options like File Vault and Firewall. System Preferences is where you can control your whole computer. You go to the far left, click on the Apple sign, and press System Preferences. You can change anything from the keyboard layout to sounds and many more. You can go to the System Preferences by pressing the icon on the dock. It gives you all the options. There's really not that much to say about this topic, changing desktop picture. You click on the Apple button, go on System Preferences, click on Desktop and Screensaver. You can change the desktop picture to anything you want and back to the original picture. You can use solid colors or any pictures you have on your computer. You can also drag images to the preview box. You can change the formatting too. Now on to the last topic, energy saver options. Click on the Apple sign, go to System Preferences, and press on Energy Saver on the second row. This is where you can control your Mac's sleep mode and display mode. It gives you the options at the bottom like putting the hard disk to sleep when possible, dimming the light, and etc. It also shows you how much battery power is left. When you click on the power adapter side, one of the options changes at the bottom. On the far left, there is an option that lets the Mac change graphics automatically for better battery life. There you have it, energy saver options.